what to do when your dashcam does not turn on. Let's figure it out today with Doms from BlackVue Support Team. So we did a video a while back with Chris where he explained what to do when your dashcam is not working properly or the LEDs are blinking. But this time we're talking about purely when your dashcam does not turn on at all. So Doms, can you tell us a little bit more? What are the main reasons why your dashcam might not turn on at all?
Yeah, there are three reasons why your dashcam is not turning on. First is you're using a faulty or incompatible power cable.
Okay, faulty cable.
Yeah, second one
Or
is...
incompatible?
That's right.
Okay.
Second one is installation issue.
Installation issues.
Yep. And the third one is hardware issue.
Or hardware issues. Okay, so we've got three main reasons why your dashcam might not work. So first, what about this cable?
And so if you're using an incompatible cable, then the dashcam will not turn on.
Okay.
So it's recommended to use the power cable that came with the dashcam.
So why would a cable not be compatible?
Yeah, older models of dashcam use two-wire hardwiring kit.
Two wires.
That's right.
Okay.
The newer models use three-wire hardwiring kit.
Three-wire types.
That's
right. So yeah, I guess for users who have these older dashcams, such as DR, I think up to 750S actually, 900S. These models were the last models using a two-wire system. And since the X series, so 750X, 900X, and then up to recently even the Elite models, they all use this three-wire system, meaning you have a built-in voltage monitoring system in the dashcam that allows the dashcam to use parking mode natively. In the past, the models didn't have that, and they were just using this two-wire system.
That's right. The added wire is to monitor or to improve the parking mode monitoring.
Right.
Also to prevent the car battery from draining.
Draining, right, exactly. And so the trick is the old cable, as far as I know, the old cable actually can be connected to the new dashcams.
Yeah, it fits into the DC.
It looks like it fits, but it just doesn't provide any power.
Yeah, it will not power on at all.
So that was the first reason, incompatible cable. So just in case you're upgrading from an older model, make sure that you use the new provided cables that's in the box with your new model. All right, so for the second reason, you mentioned installation issues. So when do these installation issues happen?
Yeah, the installation issue usually occurs when your dashcam is hardwired to the vehicle. So it's possible that it's a loose ground or the cables are not properly tapped or connected to the fuse box.
Right. So what would you recommend people to do in that case?
Yeah, in these cases, we recommend trying a different power cable, such as cigarette power cable or a USB-C cable if your dashcam and vehicle are compatible.
All right. So yeah, because with the BlackVue dashcams, you often have both a hardwiring cable and a simple USB-C cable with the cigarette lighter adapter as well. And that cable is usually foolproof, so you can try that cable first before further troubleshooting your hardwiring installation.
That's right.
All right, so as for the third issue, you mentioned it's a hardware issue. What does that mean exactly?
Yeah, if the dashcam is still not turning on after trying those steps we mentioned, then it could be a hardware issue. The power board or the super capacitor is probably faulty or defective.
Okay, so that's pretty rare, I assume.
Yeah, so in these cases
But in that case, what can the user do?
Yeah, for these cases, we recommend submitting an RMA request so that our RMA team can assess the dashcam further. To submit an RMA request, you can simply go to blackvue.com/RMA.
Okay, perfect. So we will put the link in the description as well. Just to remind users, when can they use this RMA form? Do they need to have the dashcam under warranty, or can they do it anytime?
They can do it anytime, though there will be an RMA fee for dash cams with out of warranty.
Okay. But the warranty for BlackVue dashcams, as you may know, is 2 years, right?
That's right.
For all the models.
Yeah, they need to fill out the form and include the receipt.
Include the receipt.
Yeah, they need to attach the receipt. And if it's within 2 years, then it should be under warranty.
All right. So without any
fee or charge.
Added fee. Okay. Perfect. Well, thank you, Doms, for your time today. If you have any question, make sure, as usual, to post in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.